Born in a Catholic family, and I was raised as a Catholic. I was every day going to the church. Every day. Not every Sunday, not every month, not every week. Every day going to the church. My journey to Islam started about the deep study about Bible. It helps you analyze every verse. Not just by reading, but you have to analyze verse by verse. How come the verse is like this? How come the chapter of the Bible is like this, but the other chapter is different? So you have to deep study, analyze. That gives me a big question. When I got the deep study about Bible, I analyze. It teaching is about Islam, not about Christianity. When I accept Islam, it's all. I've closed it. Whatever my family say to me, I don't mind. I don't mind. My mother told me our family is open. It's open. Because most of us, I have member of the family, priest. Member of the family, different sect. Member of the family, other religion. So our family is open. What my mother told us is, you know what is the right religion? Go for it. Islam teaches being a good person. I feel it in myself. I was being near, unlike before. My teacher told me, love your parents. Before, if I call my parents only one time a month, now almost weekly, I have to call my parents.